Welcome to Adarsh and Ideal School Institution online class. Class 7 Subject Science. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Matter Around Us. We knew everything we see around that occupy space and have mass, that is said to be matter. So what is matter? Matter is the one which do occupy space and mass, that is said to be the matter. Matter can be either solid, liquid or gas. Either they can exist in the form of solid or in the form of liquid, or it can be any gas also. Heat, light and sound. Generally, heat, light and sound occupies space but does not have mass. Hence, these are not matter. Matter is the one which occupy space and mass. And what is matter composed of? Matter is composed of tiny particles like atoms and molecules. Here you can see the pictures of various solid, liquid and gas. Either they can or anything can exist in the form of solid, liquid or gaseous state. In all these states, they do composed of atoms. In case of milk container or in the Coke bottle, in bell, balloon, pear, books, hot air balloon and in pen. All these are nothing but the things. They do occupy some space and they have some mass also. So generally we do call all these things as matter. So they are all said to be the matter because they do occupy some space and mass. Now let us see what is an atom and can we able to see atom with our naked eye or not? Yes, atoms are the tiny particles which cannot be seen through our naked eye. Generally, we can't able to see atoms through our naked eye. That is said to be the atom, and they are all nothing but the tiny particles. In case of atom, at the center they do have the nucleus. Here it is a picture of an atom. In the center you do have the nucleus. In the nucleus of an atom you do have two subatomic particles, proton and neutron, where proton is a positively charged particle and neutron is a negatively charged particle. And here you can see the images of some balls here. They are all said to be the electrons. In an atom, electrons will revolve around the nucleus of an atom, and these electrons are negatively charged particle. So what is an atom? Atoms are the tiny particles. And whether can we able to see the atom through our naked eye or not? We can't able to see the atoms through our naked eye. Here we can able to see various pictures of solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. In case of solid state, we can see some pictures of wooden, kettle, stone, joystick and car. Either things can be in the form of solid state, liquid state or gaseous state. All these things are made up of atoms. Now let us see what is meant by a molecule. Two or more atoms combine together to form a molecule. We can get the molecule by the combination of two or more atoms. Here I have given you an example for the formation of water molecule. Two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom will combine together to form a water molecule. Now let us see the classification of molecules. Molecules are classified into 4 categories based upon the number of atoms. They are monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. Now let us see what is meant by monoatomic molecule. The term mono refers to single, which means this molecule is composed of single atom. A molecule contains only one atom is said to be monoatomic molecule. For such kind of molecule, the examples we can say inert gases. Inert gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are all the examples for inert gases and they do comes under monoatomic molecule. And next one, diatomic molecule. The word di refers to two. So when a molecule is made up of 2 atoms, then that is known as diatomic molecule. Here you can able to see the pictures of diatomic molecule. It is one atom and this is other atom. So while combining you can get a molecule. It is an example for diatomic molecule. And the picture shows the oxygen molecule. Here nitric oxide. And this one is an example for nitrogen molecule. Here one nitrogen atom and here one nitrogen atom. They do join by 3 bonds here. So it is an example for diatomic molecule. Next, coming to the triatomic molecule. We can say example as carbon dioxide. In case of triatomic molecule, what is the word tri refers to? Tri refers to 3. A molecule containing 3 atoms is said to be triatomic molecule. Here you can see one atom, second atom and third atom. So this molecule is composed of 3 atoms. It is an example for triatomic molecule. And example carbon dioxide. Now we shall move into the 4th category, polyatomic molecule. What does the word poly refers to here? Poly means many. So in case of polyatomic molecule, it is made up of many atoms. Can you able to find how many number of atoms are in this molecule? Can you able to say how many number of atoms are there in this molecule? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this molecule it is made up of 5 atoms. So it is an example for polyatomic molecule. A molecule containing more than 3 atoms are known as polyatomic molecule. So it is an example for polyatomic molecule. So in our today's class we have seen what is meant by matter and what is matter composed of and what is meant by atom, molecule and what are the different types of molecules. Now let us move on to the home fun today. Your first question, what is an atom? Your second question, what is a molecule? Third question, define matter. Fourth question, what is matter composed of? And your last question, say the different types of molecules. You can enjoy your day. Thank you.